There's no doubt that 2020 was an outstanding year for electric vehicles, and it's all because of Tesla's incredible rise. The company has dominated the stock market for the past few years and has played a fundamental role in uplifting the electric vehicle market. The EV industry is now reaping the benefits. So, does this mean that Tesla is the only reliable stock for you to invest? Definitely not. Many lesser-known automakers are producing great EVs, and their stocks are quickly gaining momentum. Let's find out about some of the lesser-known EV stocks for you to track. NIO Inc. The China-based auto manufacturer that has made huge gains as of late, NIO Inc. is the first on our list for all the right reasons. NIO's vehicles comes with assisted driving features along with next-gen technologies. In November 2020, the company delivered a reported 5,291 vehicles, recording a 109.3% increase compared to the same period in 2019. The total deliveries for the year 2020 amounted to 36,721 vehicles, marking a 111.1% jump from 2019. Battery technology is one of NIO's stronger areas. The company has made tremendous strides in this field, which has helped it ramp up a battery swapping and battery-as-a-service initiatives. The founder and CEO of NIO Inc., William Bin Li, stated that the company has deployed around 143 swap stations and completed over 800,000 battery swaps across 64 cities in China. Magna International. If you want to dip a toe into the electric vehicles market without breaking the bank on one of the hottest automakers that are tearing up stocks at the moment, go for Magna International. This 63-year-old Canadian auto giant is known for providing mobility technology for all types of automakers. From Ford and General Motors to high-end luxury auto producers like Tesla and BMW, Magna has struck deals with almost every firm out there. We aren't surprised at all since the company has ample experience in the industry. That's exactly what automakers look for nowadays. AutoCanada. AutoCanada is another lesser-known but very well-established company in Canada. It operates auto dealerships across Canada and carries a varied array of new and used vehicles. It offers all kinds of financing options to meet customers' needs and demands from all walks of life. Despite its slumping sales in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, AutoCanada is most likely to see a rebound. The buying power and demand for EVs has increased considerably within the past 5 years. In 2021, we expect to see many new exciting EVs hit the global auto market, and AutoCanada will ride the wave for sure. Condi Technologies Group Inc. Condi Technologies Group is another China-based firm featured on this list of hidden EV stocks. The company mainly focuses on designing, developing, and manufacturing all types of EV products, off-road vehicles, and vehicle parts. It is most famous for producing all-terrain vehicles, or ATVs for short, utility vehicles, motorcycles, go-karts, and other vehicles. Blink Charging Company. Blink Charging produces electric vehicle charging equipment and also operates a network of charging stations. It caters to residential and commercial consumers, including building owners, municipalities, parking garages, sporting venues, and other public areas. In late November 2020, Blink Charging announced it had acquired YouGo Stations Inc., which is a renowned electric vehicle charging operator. The company has an impressive portfolio with 44 direct fast charging locations. In comparison to conventional gas stations, there are fewer charging stations. So many more companies are investing in charging stations like Blink Charging. It has already deployed thousands of EV charging stations across the USA. Many of the charging stations near airports, hospitals, and hotels in the US are installed by Blink Charging Co. For those interested in investing in Blink Charging stocks, it is important to note that the company isn't a direct EV stock for a company that builds EVs, but rather a company that helps build the infrastructure around them. Face Drive. This company has perhaps the most interesting of all stories we heard this past year. It is neither an electric vehicle manufacturer nor is it involved in building EV infrastructure. Then what does it create? We know you're just dying to know. Well, Face Drive is creating an entirely new, privately owned ecosystem within the EV industry. This means the company is aiming to benefit from consumer demand the most. It already made headlines for being the world's first ever carbon offset, ride-sharing, and food delivery service. However, the company's ingenious plan is set to set itself apart from all of its competitors. Face Drive recently acquired a little-known Washington, D.C.-based firm called Steer that has incredible potential for shaking the auto industry. It is an EV subscription service that can help Face Drive offer its clients their own virtual electric vehicle gallery. This puts Face Drive in a great position to become the market leader of the future. Workhorse Group Inc. Workhorse Group develops and builds EVs and aircraft, which includes cargo vans, delivery drones, medium and light-duty pickup trucks, and electric aircrafts. Workhorse Group also designs real-time cloud-based telematics performance monitoring systems. In the third quarter of 2020, the company recorded a staggering net sales growth of 13,162.3%. But we must not overlook the fact that its net loss also widened to $84.1 million from $11.5 million over the same period in 2019. According to Workhorse Group, this happened because 36% of its production staff was out due to contracting coronavirus or observing self-isolation. Arcimoto Inc. Arcimoto Inc. is another little-known firm involved in the development and production of three-wheeled electronic vehicles. There are three main vehicle designs that it produces, which includes a vehicle for first responders, a sports utility vehicle, and a delivery vehicle equipped with last-mile notifications. Green Power Motor. Green Power Motor is a thriving electric bus manufacturer. The company is based out of Vancouver and has captured a large chunk of the North American EV market. However, it is eyeing the bigger and more profitable global EV market as well. And why wouldn't it be so ambitious, as Green Power Motor has been around for over a decade? It's been on the front lines of the EV movement. The company largely focuses on building cost-effective battery electric trucks and buses. In 2020, Green Power Motor observed a massive rise in its share price, which went up from $2.03 to $36.88. This means investors made around 1,700% profits within a year. Now that the red-hot EV sector is expected to reach new heights of profitability, we are sure Green Power will continue to impress us all. Fuel Cell Energy. Fuel Cell is another alternative fuel stock, the share price of which has gone up over 200% within a year. It turned out to be the biggest winner during the election season, as Joe Biden campaigned for a carbon-free America. According to industry experts, the rise of fuel cell may be short-lived, but it has a solid long-term trajectory as it spent years developing solutions that will help developing alternative energy solutions. The company raised net funds of more than $150 million in a public offering of 25 million shares last year. Tesla. No discussion of EV stocks could ever be complete without a mention of Tesla. Elon Musk is indeed the man of the hour. Let's give the Tesla founder and CEO credit, as he was one of the first to give the electric vehicle industry a much-needed boost. His ascent through both wealth in his company's stocks and his personal wealth is quite unprecedented, but Musk did it, which is why his net worth skyrocketed by over $60 billion since Tesla's inclusion in the S&P 500 index in December. The company is now the sixth largest publicly traded firm in the U.S. per market capital. It has overtaken longtime stock market staples like Walmart, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, and Johnson & Johnson. Can you believe that? With over $830 billion in net worth, Tesla stocks definitely don't show any signs of slowing down. So what do you have to say about investing in some of these hidden gems of EV stocks? Subscribe to the channel if you are interested in tracking the top trends and finding out unique investment opportunities. Click on the notification bell icon to be updated on investing insights regularly. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends.